Little bits of information come out every day. Most of that information is noise. Some of it is signal. There's PMIs in Europe and Japan, and there's retail sales in China. There's a lot of market movements, and so there's so much going on. How do you know what to synthesize that into and focus on kind of the key points?
The multi-asset team at Harbor takes the legacy lifeblood of the organization of manager research, investment due diligence, and says, hey, let's bring a little bit of that expertise in-house, and so that we can build products and solutions that kind of meet our client base where they are, whether that's bringing in kind of our sub-advisors or creating new products, delivering the investment views ourselves. The Harbor Current is our weekly write-up on what's top of mind for markets, for investors, and hopefully for our clients.
We unpack the macro data that we received over the last week. We talk about the key dynamics that are at play. And the goal here is to really cut through the noise and to help financial advisors and clients understand these are the key things that we think you really need to focus on.
We're trying to deliver cutting-edge, up-to-date information that can help advisors reach out to their clients, inform their own investment process, and just by and large become more informed about what's going on in financial markets.
Spencer and I go back quite a long way. What makes him exceptional is really his ability to build a team that integrates the systematic pieces of investing that should be automated and systematized, combining that with human qualitative expertise and judgment. And it's really marrying those two things together at Harbor that I think makes our multi-asset group so special.
We want to try and put ourselves in a position where we can add value to our clients in the best way we can. Part of that is via pushing information in the current, providing a webinar.
So it's kind of cutting off your nose to spite your face there.
And part of that is also allowing for a more dynamic conversation that you can contact Harbor directly, and we will try and find an opportunity to put you in touch with a portfolio manager to discuss what we're seeing in markets and answer your questions.
We're always the hero of our own story. So we're always living in the most important time in history. You have to kind of remember to keep that sense of perspective that there's always been something going on. What we really want to do with our clients is really help them stay focused on the medium term. What are your clients' ultimate investment goals? Kind of what are the things that are going to deliver positive risk premium over time? And how do you stay invested? And I think that's the hardest thing for our advisor client base in talking with their own clients is how do I keep you invested through time?
It is impossible to predict exactly what the change is going to be in the future that we're going to have to deal with. I think now more than ever is just a really good reminder that in markets and in life, the one constant that you should expect is change.